Hey everyone, welcome back to the 2-week abs challenge. You don't need any equipment, just a mat, your body, and a bit of motivation. We'll be working the entire core, upper abs, lower abs, and obliques for a strong defined midsection. Each move is 30 seconds followed by a short rest. Let's get started and make every rep count. Exercise 1, crunches. Lie on your back, knees bent, hands behind your head. Lift your shoulders off the mat and squeeze your core. Keep your lower back pressed down. Exhale as you crunch up, inhale as you lower. Control your movement, don't rush. You've got this feel that burns starting in your abs. Exercise 2, leg raises. Hands under your hips for support. Lift both legs up slowly, keeping them straight. Lower them down with control, don't let them touch the floor. Keep your core tight the whole time. This targets your lower abs, stay focused. Exercise 3, Flutter Kicks. Lift your legs slightly off the floor and flutter up and down. Keep your back flat, no arching. Small, quick kicks. Breathe through it and keep your abs engaged. Stay strong, you're doing amazing. Exercise 4, Russian twists. Sit up, lean back slightly, and twist your torso side to side. Tap the floor with your hands on each side. Keep your feet lifted if you can, or keep them down for an easier version. Twist from your core, not your arms. Let's go side to side. Exercise 5, mountain climbers. Get into a plank position. Bring one knee in toward your chest, then switch. Keep the movement quick and controlled. Core tight, shoulders over your wrists. This one's great for abs and fat burning. Push through. Exercise 6, toe touches. Lie flat, legs up, arms reaching toward your toes. Crunch up, lifting your shoulders off the mat. Reach as high as you can. Exhale as you lift, inhale as you lower. Feel those upper abs working, keep going. Exercise 7, plank. Elbows under shoulders, core tight. Keep your body in a straight line. No arching or sagging. Focus on your breathing, steady and strong. This move strengthens your entire core. Hold it, you're stronger than you think. Exercise 8, side plank. Support your body on one elbow, stack your feet. Lift your hips up and hold. Feel your obliques working. Switch sides after 15 seconds. Stay steady and breathe, you've got this. Exercise 9, reverse crunch. Hands by your sides. Lift your knees toward your chest and raise your hips off the mat. Lower slowly, don't swing your legs. This one really targets your lower abs. Controlled movements, keep going till the end. Exercise 10. Plank hip dips. Elbow plank again. Drop your hips side to side, tapping the floor lightly. Engage your core and obliques. Twist from your waist, not your shoulders. You're almost done. Finish strong. Amazing work, everyone. That's one round complete. Remember to repeat this workout 2 to 3 times for the best results. Stay consistent for the next 2 weeks, eat healthy, and watch your core get stronger every day. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and join me for tomorrow's workout. You did it. See you in the next session.